If you want to drink cold, purified, or hot water, press an applicable button and push the drink button. Then, you can drink the water you chose. If you would like to change drink cold or hot water temperature, press an applicable button for 2 seconds and it will ring beep sound once. Then, after you set a desired temperature, press the drink button and it works out. If you want the continuous, after selecting cold, purified, or hot water, press the drink button for 2 seconds. Then, you can start to drink continuously. When you want the hot water lock to function, press the hot water lock button for 2 seconds and it will show you the hot water lock is set by red light. If you want to unlock it, press the hot water lock button for 2 seconds and it will be unlocked. If you want filter washing, press the hot water lock button for 5 seconds and the filter washing works with 5-time beep sound. During the filter washing, it washes the filter for around 15 minutes with filter washing light flickering red. When the filter washing is done, the filter washing light flickering red turns green with a 2-time beep sound. Then, you may use it as usual.